Right, good morning everyone. Today we're going to have a look at some problem solving. It's going to be found here in White Rose lesson 3, and the activity is just going to be here. You would click on here. What I want to flag up is there's quite a long video explaining how, there's only 4 problems, there's quite a long video explaining how you can deal with them. I'd like you to have a watch of that, but what I'd like you to focus on is just questions 3 and 4. You can obviously have a go at questions 1 and 2 yourself, and the video will help you with that. But I just want to, in this video, look at questions 3 and 4, and I want to direct you to them first. So if we look at question 3, it says Eva has £6 and 5 pence in a money box, and she only has 20 pences, 10 pences, and 5 pence coins in there. No pounds, no 50s, no £5 coins. And then we go back to the ratios that we did about 3 or 4 weeks ago. For every 2 10-pence coins in the box, she's got 1 20-pence coin and 3 5-pence coins. So all this money is made up of groups of 2 10s, 1 20, and 3 5-pence coins. How many of each coin does Eva have in her money box? So to work that out, we really just have to think, well, okay, how much does she have in one group of those coins? Adding up those, and then finding how many of this chunk of coins makes £6 and 5 pence gets you the answer. So have a little go at that one. Number 4 is a little bit more tricky, but uses a similar type of system. This one is, there's more than one answer to it as well. Number 4 says Dexter has to make the scale, so he's weighing something here, the scale's down here, read between 250 and 300. He's only got weights that weigh 50 grams, 25 grams, and 10 grams. So he's got these little weights, and he can put them on the scales, and he wants to make it read in between 250 and 300. Now we've got the ratios again. For every 3 of the 10-gram weights he uses, he has to use 1 25-gram weight. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 25, that becomes 1 chunk of things that he has to weigh. He's also got to use at least 150. Okay? So he's got that chunk of the 10, 10, 10, 25 plus 150, but he doesn't have to have the 50 with the 10s and the 25. You just need to have at least 1 of each weight. So we could have 2 chunks of these 10s and 25 and 150. So have a little go at working out what are the different combinations. With both of these questions, 3 and 4, if it was me doing it, I'd have a piece of paper and a pencil, and I would draw out quite a few of the different options. It just helps me, certainly, to see that. I'd like you to have a go with that as well. So as I say, today, just 3 and 4 is my priority for you to have a go at. 1 and 2 are slightly trickier. Well, I think they are anyway. And it's about kind of fractions of fractions, which can be a little bit confusing. But watch the video for 1 and 2. But for me, I would do 3 and 4 first. Good luck with it all. Any questions, drop a comment.